Alright, so we're here at the Sacramento State Capitol, or sorry, California State Capitol. Sacramento. What do you call it? Sacramento, capital of the state.
In 500 feet, turn left onto L Street.
Let's see, where can we park?
Right here, a little bit.
Right here? It says no parking. Okay, we're not parking, we're just stopping. Is that okay? Buses only. Okay, well, I'm just gonna stop here. Oh, I can't. So what about across the street?
Yeah, park it.
Okay, so we're here at the Sacramento. This is the California State Capitol. Okay, they have these statues here. Sorry, it's dark. Hopefully you can see. They have all these things here. I'm not gonna walk around all of them. I'm kind of gonna go in a hurry, but if you want to see, you can see there's like, I'm pretty sure these are, I don't know, names of what, people that contributed, or this is, oh, fallen heroes. Okay, so they have all these names and stuff here in this monument, and some more names and stuff here. So they have all the, it's like a memorial kind of thing. Alright, I don't know what this building is. This is next to the state capitol, and the state capitol is right there. We'll see here. Let me go closer. They're doing a lot of construction all over here. I don't know what's going on, but here you can see the state capitol. Alright, I'm not gonna walk up to it. We're just gonna see it from out here. Let's turn off the flash because it's not needed. And you can see the state capitol building. I don't know what's up there. A bunch of lights. So there you go. There's California's state capitol building. Okay, so here's that other building that was across the street from the state capitol. You have these statues here. I don't know, what is this building? Let's see. There you go. Stanley Mosque, a library and courts building, state of California. Right. So there you go. Alright. So we'll see if we can see that golden bridge they have. Not the Golden Gate Bridge, but Sacramento has like this old gold colored bridge. So I'll see if I can record that for you guys as well. Okay, so we're getting closer to the Tower Bridge. So apparently, are anybody's allowed to go in there? Or
you can walk by that
go inside
also.
But can you go in the tower?
You can turn right.
Oh, go past it. The next one?
The
or
next one is,
so Tower Bridge. Your alarm's going
turn
off.
right here, go on to...
We're gonna go to Old Sacramento.
Yeah.
In that, they have the, what do you call it? Where the bridge can go up.
Yeah.
So,
and
yeah.
it has
So
the what is it?
The drawbridge that can go up.
No, so
we're gonna go slow into Old Sacramento.
What is it called? The railroad things and the tourists.
Oh, I see the railroads
train.
on that side.
But yeah, you can, yeah, so here say Old Sacramento right there.
There's Old Sacramento.
So you can, turn
see all this
right
old
here.
village. Oh, we can go on this road. Okay, they got like an old cobblestone road. Look at that. What's that? Rio.
Now turn right onto L Street.
It's like, where are you going?
Yeah. So you see down there is lower. Before Sacramento, Old Sacramento is really low. And then now it got flooded, so they have to build up.
Okay. Lots of people still out here.
Yeah.
California steam something.
Steamboat. They have a tour boat here also.
Tour boat?
Yeah, if you want to take a tour boat. And
steamers.
Hotel that is on the boat also.
Now turn right onto K Street.
Lots of people still walking around.
Yeah, so this is the Pacific Railroad depot.
There's Halloween stuff there now.
That's the boat right there.
They have
That's
Halloween Town here. Hotel. Nice. in the camera.
Museum.
Railroad Museum down there.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a family jewelers there. Okay, I'm gonna set up the next stop then, and then, so right now, next we're going to the Nevada State Capitol. I'm gonna have to set up a charge in between. I'll show you how that goes.
Oh. You want to
Now
go to
turn
that
right
bridge?
onto
We can go
2nd
to that
Street.
bridge if
Oh
you
yeah,
want.
let's go to Old Sacramento Bridge real quick first. Alright, so there's a public parking. We're gonna go to the bridge.
Yeah. Right,
Okay.
and then turn left.
Joe's Crab Shack. Okay, let's go
And then turn right.
across that Fort Bridge.
Now turn left onto Capitol Mall.
So turn right, go on to the bridge.
Okay. Didn't say no right on red. Oh, it turned green anyways.
So that's the waterfront
Yield to
right there. I used to
pedestrians.
go on the
There's
levee there.
bridge.
Yeah, so you're on the bridge now, the town bridge.
Alright, that's what it looks like.
So that's the river boat down there.
The river
Yeah.
boat down there. Is that the hotel one?
Yep, the hotel and restaurant.
Okay. And there you go. That's
They
the end
also
of the
have
bridge.
tour boat too.
Time to
Yeah,
go to
now
Nevada.
you're on West Sacramento side.
Okay, so there's a pyramid building. Oh, that one. How come it's not lit up? Usually, isn't it like orangey lit up?
Yeah.
What happened? It's not that bright right now. Is it this building?
Yep, that's the pyramid
In
building
500
there.
feet, turn left
Is
onto
it
F
usually
Street.
lit up bright? Well, oh, they put some block here. Am I not allowed to go in? Too bad. I'm going in. What is that? Spaceship? Helicopter thing? What is that? What is that thing? Solar panel? Oh, it's a
In
solar
500
charger.
feet, turn right onto
They have
3rd
a
Street.
solar charger
Then turn
beam.
left onto G Street.
So how come it's not lit up? Usually it has a lot of lights, right? What
Yeah.
happened? They turned it off. They're trying to save power now. It used to be like all orangey. But anyways, so what is this building for? Teachers,
They have,
human resources.
The teachers state retirement service office in here, so for California.
Okay.
Human resource.
All right, let's set up. I know this is employee parking, but, or whatever, executive office. But let's go ahead and set up the charging route here. So we'll add a stop. We'll add charging. And you can see all the chargers here. We have 47%, so we can technically go over 100 miles, no problem. But I kind of want to stop at one of the really large ones. So let's see here. Did we already? Nope. Where is it? Placerville? This one? 8 stalls. I remember seeing one, it said there was like over 30 stalls, but I don't see it now. Lake Tahoe. Pay to park, no deal. Maybe we should just go to that. That's 82.8 miles. For some reason it doesn't show the number of stalls like it showed me before. That's kind of weird. This one says 12 stalls. Oh, I think I was going to like the, not Folsom. Yeah, all the rest are too close. So we'll just go to Pollock Pines. That's like camping area. Let's try this one, South Lake Tahoe. If we can't make it, we'll stop at another one first. Alright, we'll see you guys when we're... Oh, nope. See, this is what I was telling you. It tells you if you're not going to make it. So it tells you to stay below 55. So, because of that, let's add another stop. We don't want to try and push it that far. So we can go to the one right before it, Pollock Pines. And we'll see you guys there.